Good morning, traders. This is a follow-up on using the Algo software to find option trades, as well as a follow-up on my Forex trading. So to begin with, I did if you remember from my video on the September 10th, I bought a call option on the sticker symbol was A. And I paid, as you can saw from my other videos that I saw, that I bought the October 16 expiry at the strike price was $97.50, and I paid $450.51 today. I just sold this same exact option, and I sold it for $564, which is a gain of $118 if you take the what I paid for it, which was let me get you the exact numbers here. So this is when I purchased it. So I bought the $450 and I paid $5 commission, what have you. So this return is with all the commissions. So I paid $445.51, and then I sold it for, should do this backwards. So I sold it for $564.47 minus my purchase, which was $445.51. So I gained 118 in less than 30 days. And if you want to figure that out in percentage, is you divide it by what you paid for it, or 445.51. So that comes out to about 26.7%. So I bought to open and then I sold it to close, and that was the option play. And I got this on September 10th, which was right here. And the reason I was using not so much the algo at this point, I think I was using the moving average strategy, which is you wait for this is a 20 moving and this is a 40. If it's the 20 is over the 40, you're looking for longs. And what I did here is I waited for a pullback towards the 20, and once it overcorrected up to here, I bought this. So I was up initially. I was up right away, then I went back down, and now I think I predicted when I bought this that it's eventually going to retest this high, which it did today. And moving onward to my Forex. And the Forex, I was experimenting using the 2 minutes chart. And I did take a trade today on the Aussie dollar, Australian / US dollar pair. And I was also using the algo in combination with the 20 moving average, 20 and 40. I used the 20 and 40. So got the sell signal here. This is, remember, it's 2 minute time frame, sell signal. And I did not take it right away until it broke the 20 and the 40. Because when it broke the 20 was above the 40, so I didn't want to take that because that's still pretty good support. So once it broke the 40 support, I went here, and then when I saw it like starting to stall and actually got a buy, I got out. I believe this was how many pips was this? So from 182, so about 8 pips. So anyways, when you're trading on the 2 minutes, these setups happen all the time. So here's another one that would have been a very strong one on the US dollar. Got a sell signal here, and very short, relatively short period of time, you gain a lot of pips. Here, you see what these signals would have told you to do. Maybe this one was a loss. This one here is kind of maybe break even with a little bit of a loss. I wouldn't have bought this because 20 is below the 40. So when you're buying, you want the 20 above the 40. Like this is a perfect example here of a buy. And when you see it kind of stalling, it doesn't, like this is a good run. It keeps going up and up and up, but then when it keeps sitting at the same time frame and then starts to pull back, that's when you get out. So you could have easily gotten, let's see here, 982 to a few pips anyways. Alright, let me know if this was helpful. If you have any questions, email me or comment on this video. Let me see, I think before I turn it off, let's look at a few other pairs. It's kind of slow today as far as the indicators loading, but it's kind of flat. US CAD. Look at this. This is an awesome play right here. Granted, it's not a lot of pips, but then again, it's a very short period of time. So you're getting in on this. 270, and you got out of this. So about 9 pips, but in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 candles or 20 minutes. So not bad at all. And the next thing I'm going to do is try to find my next option play, and I use this website, Finvest, to find. This is how I found my other option play, and I basically have it prices over $50, just to kind of help weed out some of the choices. Price over the 50, I should change that to over 20. But let's see. Okay, it's not a good one to use here. Here it is, price above the 200, and you don't have the 20 option, so that's why I guess I picked 50. Okay, and then these are the options you get. I mean potential stocks. So if I, let's say for example, I want to find another option, so I can put any of these symbols. Let's try this one, D and B on the daily. Show you how I analyze this real quick. So this hasn't been long enough for me to properly to make a decision on. So that's another one, deal B. So this one, Algo saying buy, but however the 20 is below the 40, so I'm not gonna touch that one. Here we are. See, that one is good, but the reason I didn't buy this is because I was in the other option still, the A. I was in this one, so that's why I didn't. I'm still experimenting with options, so I'm doing kind of one play at a time. So CMA, another one, nope, no good. So it could take a little bit of time to figuring out these. But, so anyways, when I find a good option, I'm going to make a video about it. And so it'll be like real time. So this is my last option play. And I'll make another video probably next couple days when I find a good option play. Thank you.